this video, I will teach you how to make a Bourbon Old Fashioned using these ingredients. First, grab your sugar, pour it into your desired glass. The next ingredient you want to use is your favorite choice of bitters. Add a couple dashes of bitters to your glass. Next, I grabbed these nice pitted cherries from my local grocery store to use for my Old Fashioned. I took 2 spoonfuls of syrup and added to glass. Next, grab your orange and carefully slice the orange peel. Then, grab peel and twist around glass rim. Next, I grabbed my favorite club soda, Canada Dry. I poured some into glass and gave it a nice stir. Then, I grabbed my ice cubes and put in each glass. Finally, it's time to add our bourbon of our choice. I used Old Forester 1910.